Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph, and today I have a very exciting video because I am trying a UK indie brand that I've recently discovered called Island Play Cosmetics. It's a UK indie brand and they say they are the official beauty brand for all things Caribbean. So you can bet your life it's going to be colourful. So I have the eyeshadow palette, I have a water activated liner, a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. So let's get right on into this. So this is the outside of the palette, very colourful. It's plastic, it's got on the back all the... On the back it says, the Soca Origin eyeshadow palette embodies the essence of the island vibe. Like the vibrant music genre, this palette is bursting with colour, radiance and unmatched energy. It contains 30 must-have shades for eye-popping looks and everyday creations. This palette includes a rainbow ranging from bold blue, fuchsia pink and bright yellow to natural brown, nude and moonlight white. The names of each shade reflect the soul of soca music. What's your melody? I love that. And it's got the ingredients list on the back. It's cruelty-free and vegan brand, of course. And this here is the inside of the palette. There's no mirror, as you can see. The shade names are on these. And I love how they've actually put the colours with the names on so that to make it easier to tell which one, but each kind of duo has one name. As you can see, we've got names like Ms. Rose, Bass, Bashment, Ragga, Blue Boy. So yeah, let's get right on in. So I'm thinking I'm going to do really a purple and pink kind of look today. I think so. So I am first going to go in with this side of Bashment. Next to no kick up at all. My eyes are already primed with the Be Perfect Prime. So let's... Okay. Well, I had the tiniest amount on my brush. And that is definitely showing up. So it seems to be really easy to build up and blend. I'd imagine you probably get a lot more of an intense colour straight away if you were to pack it on and then blend it out. But I like to test and see just how blendable and buildable they are. And so far it's looking good. I went with the purple because I know that purple is one of the most difficult shades to formulate so that it doesn't turn out patchy. So far, so good. I'm not getting any fallout at all, which I am extremely grateful for, considering I have my base on. I did film this base. I used the new foundation and concealer from Madaj Beauty. That video should already be up, so provided it is, I'll link it up here in the cards for you if you want to check out what I think of the foundation and concealer. Yeah, so far I'm liking how that's looking. So to blend it out, I'm going to be going in with this pale pink, pastel pink shade here, and that is from Fele. I don't know how you pronounce that, so I'm terribly sorry if I'm butchering that. So let's, again, no kick up at all. Well, it's definitely showing up. Yeah, I think that's doing a very nice job of blending out the purple. Now that is looking really nice. I'm just going to dip back into that purple bashment and just bring that back a bit and blend it into the pink. Yeah, that's looking really good so far. So I am going to go in with, oh, do I want to go in with the black to deepen up or the deep purple? So I'm going to go in with this dark purple here, which is from Base. And we're just going to see, so let's just see if we can get the depth with this. If not, then I can always go in with the black, because there is a black and a white in here, matte black and white. Oh, it's definitely doing a nice job of deepening there. Beautiful. And back in with the first purple bashment, just to make sure those edges are blended there. And quickly back in with that pastel pink, just to go over the edges there. I'm liking that pink. And back in with bashment, just to assist that blend there. Ooh, so far I am really loving the look of that. So I'm going to pop on some NYX glitter primer and then come back to continue. So glitter primer on, I'm first going to go in with the shimmer shade from Bashment and place that on the outer. I think this is more of a sequin shade than a shimmer. Yeah, I think that one's more of a sequin shade. So I am going to go in with this shimmer pink from Trini. So I did get a bit of fallout under the eye, so if it looks a bit pink under there, that is why. They're definitely not the shiniest of shimmers. But it's a really pigmented, beautiful shade. Now, I would definitely say that these shimmers perform more like sequin mattes, but I'm not mad at it. It looks really pretty. So I'm just going to go in with the darkest purple from Base, the deeper one that we had in the outer bit, and I'm just going to use that just to deepen up that outer edge there. And I'm just going to dip into this deeper pink here, Ms. Rose. And I'm just going to use that to kind of bridge, to blend the two together. Yeah, that does look to be making it a lot better. I think for the lower lash line, I am going to go in with the orange matte from Fele. I hope that's how you say it. So just taking that under the eye there. I'm building it up a bit because I do want it to be fairly dramatic and colourful. And then with a smudgy brush, I'm just going to take that darkest purple and I'm just going to bring that into just that very outer part there, just to tie that in. And then just taking a little fluffy brush, I am going to go into this kind of orangey yellow, and that is from Chutney. I do love these names. So just going to use that to kind of blend out the orange. So I know that's looking a little bit crazy right now. So I have this water activated liner. It's their Tropic Fruit Aqua Liner, and I have it in the shade Kimmet. Again, I don't know how you pronounce that. And it has these two shades here. So I am going to nip off and get this on. I will be bringing out a video soon showing you how I use water activated liners, but if I go into that now it is going to make this video super long, so I'm going to nip off and basically finish my face up into the lips because I do have a lip liner and a liquid lipstick to try. I'm just going to nip off and finish everything apart from the lips, and then I will come back to show you the almost finished look and pop on the lip liner and lipstick, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so I'm back with the almost finished look. I'll just quickly let you know what else I've popped on my face. So the blusher is from Poutnshout, it's Sensitive Sally. It is this beautiful orange. The highlighter is from Kaleidos. It is the Space Age highlighter in Solar Sailor. It's a really nice yellow highlight. I love it. So I used the Tropic Fruit Aqua Liner in Kimmet, and the darker purple I did the wing line, and then the lighter purple the detail over the top. This was really easy to use. Mascara is the Madaj Beauty Madaj Lash Mascara. In my waterline I have the Linda Hallberg Mood Crayon in Likeable Mood, the orange, and the lashes I have on are from Bunny Beauty and they are the style Bad Bunny. So I have the lip liner and liquid lipstick from Island Play Cosmetics to try. So I believe, from what I can gather from the packaging here, the lip pencil is in the shade 06. So let's see. Okay, now I'm not the best at lip liner, but it was really creamy and easy to apply. So next up is the Island Play liquid lipstick, and it's the shade 18. So let's see what she looks like. Okay, so that's a really nice creamy consistency. It was really easy to apply. I can feel it drying down. It's drying down really quickly actually. So yes, this is the finished look. So first impressions of the Soka Origin Ultra Pigmented Blendable Eyeshadow Palette. The mattes are super easy to blend, they're pigmented. The shimmers, I would say, behave more like sequin mattes, but I'm really loving the look. They're super pigmented. I love this design. So I'm usually quite funny about odd shapes in palettes, but I think this just looks beautiful. It definitely draws me in and makes me want to use it. So yeah, first impressions, I really like it. Yeah, definitely if you're looking for foiled shiny shimmers, you're going to need to add something else in. I was really impressed with the pastel pink matte. I thought it showed up really nicely and blended out the purple lovely. So yeah, I'm going to keep on playing with that. So first impressions, I think it's a really lovely palette, but for sparkle you're going to want to add something else. So the Tropic Fruit Aqua Liner in Kimmit. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. This is beautiful. I haven't tried mixing the two colours together as yet. I wanted to see what they were both like on their own, and it was really easy to use. I do love a water activated liner. They do have these in quite a few colours and they do bundles on their site. I will link their website in the description box below for if you want to check them out. So yeah, this video isn't sponsored in any way. I bought it all myself. The lip liner was, again, easy to use. It was really nice and creamy, so it wasn't hard and scratchy at all. So yeah, I like the lip liner. So the liquid lipstick dries down really quick. Although it's dried down, it doesn't feel like it's sucking all the moisture out of my lips. I really love this colour. Really love the colour. So yeah, they were my first impressions of these products from Island Play Cosmetics. If you've liked this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, it really helps me out. If you're new around here, then I hope you'll consider sticking around. I do a lot of really colourful looks and I'm a huge supporter of indie brands. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a great day, great evening, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.